Hey, what's up, Silver Stackers? Thank you so much for tuning in. This is Silver Slayer. This is a very special video, to me. First, just want to say thank you all for the overwhelmingly positive support over the last 7 years while I have busted my absolute ass to provide you all with the newest, latest, freshest, most up-to-date, recent information in the world of precious metals, more specifically silver. It's been a journey to say the least, and you all have been here through my darkest times. By far, dealing with my mother's cancer, my father recently passing, me becoming a father, my channel getting hacked, so many other situations I could have used as an excuse to quit and give up. But it's quite the opposite. I feed off your positivity and your energy. I'm dedicated and motivated more than ever. So, what I'm about to announce is something I still can't fully wrap my head around. To give you the full context of the story, we're going to have to skip back a few weeks ago. I broke the story of the lady billionaire from Texas that purchased $50 million in silver, buying over 900,000 eagles and a bit of gold and junk silver as well. I was one of the first channels to break the story on YouTube, of course, and the story blew up. The company she placed this order with was Miles Franklin. Knowing me, I wanted to get the inside scoop for you guys. There were so many questions I had, so I reached out to Andy Schectman, the CEO of Miles Franklin. He instantly responded and said, "Hey, I'd love to come on your channel and talk about it." You all bombarded me in the comment section of my video and emailing me, telling me how incredibly nice this guy is, how respected his company is. So I already knew this interview was going to be a good one, and it was just that. We did the interview and it was incredible. Highly recommend you go check out that interview. I had no idea we had so many identical opinions about silver, and was honestly really refreshing. I mean, he's friends with David Morgan, some of my idols, some of the people that I would love to get in contact with. He's with them. He's in that friend group. So after the interview, we were just talking about how similar our opinions are and our perception, and it was really nice. So then he asked me something. He asked if I would want to be a part of his team. So, ladies and gentlemen, I am now officially partnered with Miles Franklin. I signed the dotted line. Andy Schectman is giving me opportunities I could only wish for. When he heard that David Morgan's my idol, he said, "Yeah, he's a good friend of mine. I'll try to get you an interview." 3 days later, he texts me and says, "Yeah, I booked you that interview with David Morgan." He's also good friends with Bixware, Keith Newmar. I mean, guys that I've made numerous videos about, and they all have the same ideas and opinions that represent this channel. I mean, I do feel bad for leaving Bullion Max, but this isn't about money or silver. This is about opportunity, surrounding myself with my idols. Andy wanted to put together a special discount for my audience, so you can purchase Britannias and Krugerrands at only $4.50 over spot. Now, to purchase from Miles Franklin, all you have to do is email info@milesfranklin.com. You can ask what their inventory is, or the special discount, but let them know Silver Slayer sent you. Anything you purchase from them, let them know that Silver Slayer sent you, and I'm positive they would love to hear it. Plus, I'm trying to show him that I do got some loyal viewers, and I could hold my ground with the big dogs. But yeah, the website will be up in a few weeks, so for now, that's how you order. But always let them know Silver Slayer sent you, and by doing that, you're also supporting me for free. Anytime you buy, just let them know that Silver Slayer sent you. I am beyond honored to be working with the most respected bullion dealer out there. If a billionaire trusted a $50 million order with Miles Franklin, that speaks for itself. And she just wired them the money. She didn't even put an invoice or an email. This company is so respected. I've never had so many people come out and stand up for them and say so many good things. It's incredible. So yeah, and by the way, he filled that order in 2 days. 900,000 silver eagles, over 100,000 ounces of junk and gold. He filled that order in 2 days. 2 days. I was thinking that order wasn't even possible to fill at all. He filled it in 2 days. He had 90,000 in his inventory. He had to go outsource 800,000 eagles, and he pulled it off. So yes, expect big things coming soon, and I am glad to have you all here with me as I climb one more step up the ladder to my dreams. I always pictured an opportunity like this arising, but not for another 3, 4 years. I had no, not a chance I ever thought that this would be happening to me right now. I mean, it's a perfect time because this is the best my channel's been performing since I started. I'm getting the most viewership, the best comments, I'm putting out the best content, I'm the most motivated and dedicated. It's just everything, the stars are aligning. The stars are aligning. So yeah, I mean, Andy is the nicest guy I've ever met. He's taking me under his wing, which I really appreciate, and I promise I'm going to soak up all the information I can. I mean, I'm looking at him as my mentor of sorts, you know. So yeah, guys, that's the announcement. I want to shout out Andy for giving me this opportunity of a lifetime, and I hope I can be of help to Miles Franklin as he helped me. The best way to help me at this moment is using Miles Franklin as your new silver dealer. They've literally never had a negative complaint. Super nice guys, even put together this special discount for me, so go put that to good use. If you want to order, it's info@milesfranklin.com. And don't forget to let them know Silver Slayer sent you. I promise they would love to hear it.